Automotive solution, your alternative for your touch of paint for your car. How we do that? The touch of paint for your car. First, it's very important. We take the paint code from every car, which is in this case, right here. Once that we get the paint code of the car, we want to make sure the color is right and it's right in the money. So we do this. We scan the color of every particular car and put it in the computer to find the right alternative, the right formula for your touch-up paint. Next, and very important, we got the paint code, we scan the car, we upload it in the system, in the computer, and then we have the right paint for your touch-up paint ready to go. For your touch-up paint that you yourself, all things different product for your finishing, including the paint, the spray can, and a good quality clear to do the good and glossy finish for your car. Autocolor Solution, your alternative for your touch-up paint.